up, my friends? I have missed you guys so much. You guys, we are in the new crib. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. You guys have been on my butt for this reveal. I get DMs on the daily like, girl, when are you gonna let us know? So today is the day. I hope you guys enjoy this apartment tour. I do wanna say it's not completely empty because the first night I got here, I was planning on filming the apartment tour, but then we were on go mode. We went to Target, got some stuff, so it's not completely empty, but for the most part it is. So I'm excited to take you guys along this journey. I definitely wanna do a lot of home decor hauls, DIY projects. You'll see what we need to DIY, but yeah, I love this place. If you guys didn't see my apartment hunting in LA video, go check it out after this. I toured probably like 10 places. It felt like 50, and this one was by far my favorite. The views, the amenities, the studio room. Oh my god, you guys, the lighting in here is insane. Compared to my last place, which was an actual cave, this is so bright, it feels so beautiful, and the views are insane. I can't wait to show you. So yeah, if you guys have any furniture you guys absolutely love and you think would fit well in my space, please send it over to me. Also, let me know what you guys think about these DIY projects I have. So let's get into it. Let's first start out with my living room. Okay, so when you first walk in, I have this door right here, and then I have my laundry closet and a big coat closet right there. What I really love about the door though is it's one of those keypad ones, so I never have to remember my keys, or you know, if I want to let someone else in, I can virtually on an app. Super nice, especially since my sister's here. I know she's going to be coming over and doing laundry. Next we have the laundry closet. It's just a stacked washer and dryer. The washer is a little on the smaller side, so I'm probably going to have to take like my bedding, like my comforter, to go to like the laundromat or dry cleaning, but overall I'm super happy I have laundry in the unit. Some of the places I was touring didn't, and you guys know for a living I try on clothes, so I need to be able to wash them. So this is really nice to have on hand. And then over here we have this coat closet. It's actually pretty deep. Let me show you. It's got a lot of space in there. Right now I just have some of my cleaning stuff. When I first moved in, my main priority was just cleaning this place head to toe because, you know, like when other people are moving out, they are not worried about cleaning it spotless. So yeah, just had to clean it up, but it's really nice and big, full-size closet. Okay, and here is my favorite space in the house. It's the living room. What I really love about this living room is that there is a window and a full door window. So it lets in a lot of natural light. It's not the biggest space, but I really love how cozy it is because it connects to the kitchen. So it's a very functional space, living room, kitchen. I love that it's open concept. So when I'm chilling with friends, you know, I could be whipping something up in the kitchen, or, you know, movie night or whatever. It's a really nice place to like have friends over and, you know, just kick it. So I love it. It's so nice. And then we go up onto my little balcony. Yeah, we have a nice big balcony. I already put a rug out here because it was on sale, but it's super big. I think I'm gonna put a couch out here or maybe some chairs. I also do have a rooftop pool and hot tub and grill area, so I'm not gonna like lounge out here. I'll go up there, but this is nice to just, you know, have coffee in the morning, relax, and look at those stunning views. Like, what? So directly off of the living room is the kitchen. One thing I didn't love about the kitchen was the cabinets. They're kind of outdated to me, but it's something I can look past because, you know, like, it's really not the end of the world. This place checks all of the rest of my boxes, so I can definitely look past it. But this kitchen is so functional. It's actually really big. Like, I can barely just touch both countertops, so 2 people can easily be in here at one time. So we have a fridge over here. I've got this pantry area right here that goes super deep, which is going to be great because you guys know I'm a foodie. I love cooking. Lots of storage actually. Like storage I can't even reach up here because the cabinets go so high. So I'm definitely going to need to get a stool. But yeah, we've got lots of drawers. We've got a microwave, dishwasher over here, garbage disposal. Yeah, it's all you need in a kitchen, honestly. But are you guys seeing how tall these cabinets are? Like, it's can't even reach up to the second shelf in this one, so I'm definitely gonna need a stool or something, but it's such a nice big kitchen. I kind of like that it is that galley style, but it's also open concept. So again, you know, I can already picture us this summer. We're gonna have some margs by the pool. I just have a little, you know, a little smorgasbord of food. It's gonna be so fun. So yeah, on to the bedroom. Okay, so past the kitchen is the hallway that leads to the bedrooms. I kind of like that they're out of the way, separate spaces, but right here is going to be my bedroom where I'm sleeping in. This is my studio. It's insane. And then this is the bathroom that I will use mainly probably, and then my guests will use. Okay, here is the first bathroom, pretty standard size. Not crazy about these floors, you guys. You guys are gonna have to help me. What do I do with these floors? I'm gonna do some sort of peel and stick, but my color combos are weird in here. I can't do like a regular white, I don't think. Maybe I can. I can't do like a funky design. I was almost thinking like black like peel and stick tiles. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to help me. Let me know what you guys think, because we've got this weird combo of the granite plus this very warm toned wood. So hey, we've got windows right here, and then a standard shower. I'm gonna really miss my old soaking tub I had at my last place. It was massive. Definitely thick girl approved. This one is a little small, but it will do. I honestly probably only used my bathtub like probably a total of 10 times in 2 years when I was living there, so I'm not gonna miss it a ton. Like I'm a bath person, but not a huge bath person, so a standard shower is cool with me. I definitely need to get some organization in there because it's kind of a weird shower. You can barely put your stuff on those ledges, but I love that it has these glass doors so I don't have to worry about a shower curtain. Makes everything easier for me. So yeah, you guys, let me know what I should do with these floors. They are so ugly. I tried to ask them if they would replace them because they just look old and ugly, and they said no, but shoot your shot. Okay, and next we walk into my bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. It has 2 windows, so lots of light. This window looks directly into my patio, which is private. My neighbors can't see my patio at all, which is great. I know I'm gonna shoot a lot of TikTok content out there. You know, it has a blank wall, perfect. And then over here we have a standard size closet, probably about the same size as the closet in the living room. You've got a few kind of built-ins to help keep everything organized, but I'm really only going to use this closet for seasonal stuff because I have a bigger closet in my studio. But yeah, it's a great sized bedroom. You know, not the best lighting, but that's okay because all I'm gonna do is sleep in here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put my bed right there. You see the 2 power outlets. So next we're going into what is considered the master, which is going to be my studio. It is massive, you guys. This is really what sold me on the apartment, you guys. Look how big it is. Like, it's huge. It's such a weird layout. It's kind of asymmetrical, but yeah, you guys, I love this room so much. I think it's so beautiful. Just being able to film and work and edit and look at these views is insane to me. So this is gonna be my filming wall because it gets the best light over here. So I'm probably gonna get a rug. I'm not too crazy about the carpet. Like, the carpet is fairly new, but I don't like the color of it. This like kind of gray color, I'm not a fan of it. So I'm gonna get some carpet and kind of do it up over in that corner. I think I'm going to get like a little dresser right here, like a tall one, and put a picture right here with the lamp because again, this one does not have any overhead lighting. So yeah, my makeshift bedside table. We're working with it, you guys. So here's how it looks from the corner. We've got the bathroom and then the closet. I just have the TV up there right now, but it's such a beautiful, bright area, and this is definitely the quietest room. Even though it's on the corner, for some reason this room is very, very quiet, which is great because obviously I'm gonna be filming in here and I can't have like all the traffic noise. But yeah, it's gonna be an adjustment. I used to live somewhere so quiet, and now living back in a city is kind of new. So next we go into the bathroom. This one's definitely a bigger size than the first bathroom I showed you. Again, the same ugly ass flooring, which I'm gonna redo. do. You guys got to give your input. Let me know what color I should do with this color scheme. It's so tricky. But yeah, here is the getting ready bathroom. I think this is gonna be my main bathroom. I'm just gonna go in here every morning to shower. I probably won't have my makeup right here because I like getting ready slowly, like sitting down at a vanity, but huge window, nice cabinetry. Again, the same standard size shower. So yeah, on to the closet, which also sold me. You guys, this closet is the size of my college bedroom, honestly. It's so big. So I'm definitely gonna have to work on organization since there are just rods. It doesn't really allow for me to like put things away in drawers or anything like that. So I might get a chest of drawers and put it in here or put it in this studio. So yeah, overall, lots and lots of space for clothes. I'm even gonna put my filming equipment in here. Literally everything can go in here, so that is great. So there we have it, my completely empty-ish apartment tour. I hope you guys like it. I know a lot of people did not guess that I was gonna pick this place because I was kind of underselling it. I was trying to be a little sneaky, but I really do love this place, even though it has some cosmetic things that are a little outdated, not totally my style. Overall, for the price, the amenities, the lighting, the views, the size of it, it checks all my boxes. So I'm super happy with my decision. I love my neighborhood. It's so vibrant, young, diverse, and it's just a great place, you know, as a single female to like walk around. I feel completely safe. Lots of food places around. It's so much fun. And now my friend is living literally a few blocks away from me. So it doesn't get better than that. But yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to bring you guys along this process. We are definitely going to do lots of Amazon home decor hauls. We're going to do DIY projects together. And obviously I'm going to be vlogging, you know, the process. So thank you so much for being so supportive along this process. I know I haven't been uploading like I usually do, and it's because I've been moving. I can't do it all at once, but I'm so happy to be here, blessed in this new state. Literally last night I was like looking out my balcony. I'm like, I literally never thought this would be my life. Like me 3 years ago, never would have believed it. And you guys have made it possible by just hanging out with me, supporting me, being a friend to me. So I love you guys so much, and I really can't wait to bring you guys along this journey. It's gonna be so much fun, me kicking it with my girls. So yeah, if you guys have any tips on that ugly flooring or, you know, pieces of furniture you think would look cool in here, please drop them in the comments or send a DM to me on Instagram. That's the easiest way to contact me because I'm always on Instagram, you know, chatting with you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys like the apartment. I'm absolutely in love with it. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!